Imagine this, you could be working on your laptop, then suddenly it turns off, dead, will not turn on even after trying to charge it, and it's suddenly unresponsive. Hi, it's Mike here at Payam Data Recovery, and I just watched one of their data recovery engineers figure out what went wrong with this unresponsive 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. This MacBook came in with absolutely no power, and I watched as the technician made his diagnosis with a multimeter. After some thorough detective work using specialized tools, he pinpointed the problem, a short circuit on the NAND power line. The NAND chips are where all the data is stored, so when their power supply fails, the entire system unfortunately goes down. He found corrosion under the original component. This meant that he had to not only replace the NAND power IC, but also remove a damaged capacitor and completely reball the power chip, essentially rebuilding hundreds of microscopic connections. If this MacBook went to another repairer or data recovery company, it would have been deemed impossible to recover and the owner would have been told all their data has been lost forever. Instead, at Payam Data Recovery, over 800,000 files were saved, including 50,000 photos and videos, 25,000 documents, and all the applications and every other file that was ever saved to the onboard SSD. This case study shows that if you have a damaged MacBook and you have been told that the data is gone and you need the logic board replaced, reach out to a company like Payam Data Recovery and there is always hope that your files can be saved.